Some places are discovered, others are remembered. Monkey Island on Grand Lake is one of those places. A destination known for beauty, recreation, luxury, and lifestyle, where people come to breathe, invest, gather, and stay. Positioned at the gateway to Monkey Island, this property is more than real estate. It's a strategic front door opportunity into one of the most desirable growth pockets in the region. Rose Rock represents the next evolution of premier lakeside living, while Nob Hill creates immediate charm, identity, and momentum at the island's front edge. And then there's the anchor, Shangri-La. Its continued growth and prestige have helped transform Monkey Island into a true destination ecosystem. That matters because Nob Hill Estates benefits directly from being part of that gravitational pull. For the right investor, partner, renter, or resident, this is an opportunity to be a part of what's next.